Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Amartya's World. If you like my video, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell icon. So without wasting time, let's start our newest video on topics the galaxies. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, gas and dust that is held together by gravity. Galaxies can be vast, with up to 1 trillion stars, or tiny with just a few million. Our Sun is just one star among the billions of stars in the Milky Way, and this itself is just one among hundreds of billions of other galaxies. The Milky Way is a part of group of galaxies named as the Local Group, which contains the Andromeda Galaxy and the M74 Galaxy. There are four main types of galaxies. Edwin Hubble classified galaxies according to their different shapes. He specified ellipticals with the letter E and a number between 0 to 7 to indicate how they divide from being a perfect spheres. The lenticular galaxies here are labeled as S0. He broke spiral galaxies into two groups, barrel spiral, which are specified as SB, and spirals without bars, which are specified as S. He also broke Hubble's classification of irregular galaxy into two types, IRR1, which have some hint of structure or shape of the galaxy, and IRR2, which are completely disorganized. The four main types of galaxies as per the structure are given here in short. So let us look at it. Spiral galaxies account for around a third of the galaxies in the nearby universe. The central core of all stars is surrounded by spiral arms full of bright young stars. So second, lenticular galaxies. Lenticular galaxies typically possess a large, roughly spherical core of old stars surrounded by disk of gas and stars, giving them an overall lens-like shape. The disk consists of stars and gas as found in spiral galaxies, but this lenticular, such as this one, does not have any spherical arms. So let us look at the third galaxy, irregular galaxy. Irregular galaxies do not have a distinctive shape. They typically contain lots of gas, dust, and hot blur stars, but do not take any particular form. The next galaxy is elliptical galaxies, appear as large blobs of stars and are usually full of old red and yellow stars. Observations of the distant universe reveal some galaxies that emit vast amounts of radiation from the central origin. These are known as active galaxies. A supermassive black hole lies at the heart of each one, gorging on the rotating disk of dust and gas that is constantly falling into it. This releases tremendous amount of high energy radiation as well. Most, if not all, galaxies have black holes, means the active galaxies have black holes at their center, so the material within the galaxy remains in stable orbit around them. As per the radiation emitted by this type of active galaxies, the galaxies or the active galaxies are classified into four main types. First is the blazar galaxy, second is the galaxy, third is the quasar galaxy, and fourth is the radio galaxy. They appear to have distinctive features, but it is thought that their different appearances may only be due to intensity of activity and angle from which we are viewing. The bright quasar, designated as PG0052 plus 251, sits at the center of a spiral galaxy around 1.5 billion light years ago. Galaxies are deep sky objects, most of which lie millions of light years from Earth. That presents an interesting and rewarding challenge to amateur astronomers. Unlike stars, galaxies are spread out and their surface brightness is relatively low, while a few are visible to our eye from a dark sky side. You will need at least a pair of binoculars and ideally a large telescope to see most of them. You will quickly understand that why they used to be mistaken for nebula. The origin of the galaxies is unknown, but these galaxies have created life on which we live, the Milky Way galaxy also. What the true origins of the galaxy and what could be the future of the galaxy is still unknown to the scientists. But recent discoveries by the Hubble Space Telescope and other such telescopes reveals that these galaxies are no less than fascinating objects in the universe. And some brighter galaxies may show signs of softer structure, such as hints of spiral arms or dust lanes. Whatever may be, galaxies always remain mysterious. So with it, let us back off our video here itself. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If yes, then drop a like button. And if the subscribe button is red, then make it grey in color. And thanks for watching and wait till my next video. Till then, bye.